In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to delete unprotected shadow copies with BCWipe. Shadow copies, also known as Volume Snapshot Service, or VSS, are backup snapshots created by Windows. They're used by features like Windows Backup and System Restore. To check if shadow copies are enabled on your system, in Windows Search, type Restore Point and click Create a Restore Point. In the new window, check the Protection Settings area to confirm if restore points are activated. Shadow copies are typically stored in the Hidden System Volume Information folder. While shadow copies can help restore deleted or corrupted files, they can also pose some issues. Storage space. Too many shadow copies consume disk space and may affect system performance. Security risks. Even after deleting files, attackers could retrieve sensitive data from remaining shadow copies. Here's how you can securely remove unprotected shadow copies using BCWipe. Run BCWipe as administrator. Click the gear icon to open Settings, and then select Common Preferences. Check the box labeled Also Wipe System Restore Points that contain backup copies of targeted files. Now, every wiping task in BCWipe will automatically remove shadow copies. When you delete a file using wiping, BCWipe will prompt you if shadow copies of the selected file exist. Simply click Yes to wipe those shadow copies as well. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to delete unprotected shadow copies with BCWipe. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.